How to reset Gmail password on Android phone without phone number and email. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today's video is based on how you can recover your Gmail account password without your phone number and email address. In order to do this procedure, first thing first, check your internet connection, and if you're on a mobile device, the procedure will remain the same. All you have to do is watch this video till the end. So then to begin with, open up a web browser. After that, on the web address bar, type in google.account.com. Now click on the enter button. Make sure that you've entered the correct link. So here you'll be asked to sign in. So for that, you'll be asked to provide in either your email address or a phone number. So type in the email address or the phone number quickly. After that, click on the next button, which is located right at the bottom. Now on the password field, you'll need to click on forgot password, which is located right at the bottom. So here you'll be asked to confirm your phone number by providing in the phone number. So if you don't remember your phone number, just tap on try another way, which is located right at the bottom. So once again, you might be asked to enter in the email address associated with your account. So over here, what you'll have to do is you need to make sure that your account is already connected to another device. What happened actually is that you'll be able to see your Google security. So this particular number will be sent on your device. So what you have to do is basically you'll need to tap the correct number that is right over here so that it confirms your identity. Now open up your phone. So as you can see right on top, there is the confirm it's your recovery account. So here you can see that this is my current location. If you're sure about the location, click on yes, it's me, and tap the correct number. So now you'll be provided with either to continue with your account or to update your password. Now go ahead and click on update your password. Now you can reset your password. So now create a password. To confirm it, you need to type in twice. After that, click on save password, which is right at the bottom. As soon as you've done that, you'll be logged into your account. In this way, you can reset password on Google account without phone number and email. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.